Mommy, what's
So it's not starting until Dean.
Listen. Give me back the end.
Stop. Just wait.
No, I'm gonna start off the show first. Hi, welcome to the puppet show. How are you guys doing today?
Good.
I can show you the characters.
Ooh, I like that one.
This one, the little cat.
It's adorable.
We got the end for the end.
Okay.
We got the tiniest one.
What's the tiniest one of?
Cute guy. Cute kitty.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. I'm just watching. But there's this diamond pickaxe.
Mm-hmm.
It's time to start. Mommy. Come on. It's the part where you're doing. Right. Welcome to the town. Do you like that one? Hey. This is not a talent show. Oh, a puppet show. So welcome to the puppet show. Yeah. Hi. I'm gonna introduce yourself.
I'm a tiny cat.
I'm tiny cat. No, you're.
Where did the sun go? Is it nighttime now?
Cheesy, nummy, sunny time.
Yeah.
That's sunny. That's sunny. That's sunny time.
No, it's not sunny time.
Me? It's not sunny time anymore.
It's not
Me? I'm Arcadia. I'm Arcadia.
Stop pushing it.
I'm okay. I'm Arcadia.
The sun.
What? What just happened? This is Owen. This is just a diamond pickaxe.
What are we doing today?
I'm dancing. I'm barely dancing. Sunny. Sunny time, stop. I'm not dancing. Sunny time,
Sunny
stop.
day for sunny.
Sunny time, stop.
Like,
I was just dancing.
okay, we need you to calm down at the moment. I'm gonna grab my pickaxe, my diamond pickaxe, and let's get some things.
Yeah, I can already mine because I have a triangle. I'm a good drill. Ah! I'm dancing. Guys, I found some diamonds!
All right.
Over here! Oh.
All right.
Come down here.
Oh, okay.
Look, diamonds!
Wow, I see the diamond.
We got diamonds!
Yay.
Help me! Oh no, there's face on here.
Be careful going through, buddy.
Okay.
It's still fine. All right, so now we have our diamond. What are we doing with them? What are we gonna make?
A diamond sword! I'm
Wow.
gonna go get the diamond sword right now, okay?
Okay.
I need
Amy, you're crazy.
Yes, I am.
Yes, you are.
Wait, come on.
What?
I can reach to the top, so I'm hanging.
Oh,
So I can hang.
yeah. Look, no hands. That's pretty
This
cool.
stick is a diamond hang too.
I can do it too.
We got a diamond pick, a
Diamond sword.
diamond sword.
Woo!
Guys, I'm hanging. Cool. We're playing Minecraft. We're all going to be like playing ball with our sword. Catch with our sword.
That's an interesting. Oh,
Catch. Got it.
got it. That's an interesting
Throw it to
thing
me.
to play catch with. Ready?
Got it. Catch.
Oh. Got it.
Oh. slide.
I did! I did it!
I only scrub with shampoo and that's it. Okay.
See.
The end.
What is this word, Bobby?
Thanks for watching.
What is
Thanks
this?
for watching. See you next time. Bye.
And then we close the show. Stage is closed.
We're like starting right now.
Okay.
Wait, I need another character.
Wait.
You guys got two and
Yeah.
you both got two and I only got one.
Where's this
You have a
one?
golden sword.
You can have one of mine. You need one of mine? Well, that's okay. We're supposed to be reenacting with each other. Remember? Where is everybody? It's a bright, sunny day. Oh, hi. What are you doing?
I was just coming over to visit.
Really? Where's our other friend?
I don't know. It's so tiny.
There's Tiny. Tiny's the loudest one of us all.
Yeah. You can stop screaming, Tiny.
The sun is crazy today.
Let me fix it.
Is that what Sunny does? Just scream? Always?
Tiny, stop!
Tiny, what are you doing?
Need to poop.
Ew!
Go move somewhere else.
Does he poop real loud just like he yells real loud?
This.
Ew!
We can hear it out from out here.
Ew! Tiny!
Tiny.
This is all messed up.
Daddy.
Silly daddy.
We need that diamond pickaxe.
Okay, what are we pickaxing?
I feel better.
Well, good.
We're gonna go mining for some diamonds and get a diamond sword. Pretend this is-
Bye home. Bye home.
Look.
Oh, wow, that was fast. Got that diamond sword real fast.
I'm putting it in my closet.
Oh, it's nighttime. I don't think Sunny or Tiny likes the darkness.
Tiny, let's go to sleep.
Kevin doesn't like Tiny's voice.
Kevin.
Bro, everybody go to sleep. I sleep in my closet all the time. We die.
Tiny's loud with sleeping too.
Yeah, he doesn't sleep with me, so that's good. And he's not near me, that's good too. A bright sunny day, guys. What is it? What is it, Tiny?
Good morning.
Good morning. You are so noisy.
Yeah,
Dean.
Tiny. Tiny.
What?
How do you have such a loud voice for such a tiny little puppet?
I don't know. That's my pickaxe.
Yeah, you're about to show it
Together
up.
was a pickaxe.
You're gonna show it up soon.
It's a hoe. It's
Yeah.
a rake. It's a rake.
It's a rake, but you're gonna show it up soon.
I found my rake. Food's here.
Hold up the inside. To be continued. And wave goodbye.